Yeah, Flight Lieutenant Logan. So I'm SO3 plans for Joint Force Support Middle East, working for Permanent Joint Headquarters, and I do forward planning for all operations and exercises in the joint operation area. Biggest challenge was during op pitting, where I worked up at the Air Traffic Liaison Office, working alongside 16 Air Assault Brigade as they came forward to go to Kabul, and then also working with the Foreign Commonwealth Office, getting their personnel forward to Kabul as well. At the time I was very tired. It was a lot of work, but it felt like good work, especially when we saw civilians coming back through from Afghanistan, especially with the young families as well. So it felt good. So the team that I work with has been fantastic. It's a tri-service office, so like I say, Navy and Army and RAF, and I've really enjoyed it. I learned a lot from them, and the team we have are really, really brilliant. We work really well together. I learn a lot from them, and there's obviously some tri-service banter in there, which has been really good.